Hey guys, welcome to Pepper's Grill and Chill. I'm Nick, and today we're going to be making some carne asada. Instead of using that carne asada that you get at the grocery store that's 10 bucks a pound, we're going to be doing a little different. We're going to use some flat iron steaks. You can get them at the store for $6.99 a pound. Same kind of thing, just got to prep it a little bit before you go ahead and marinate and do all your stuff. So we're going to start off, we're going to get this fat off of here because that's just no good. We don't want any of that. So get yourself a sharp knife. Be real careful and just get all that fat. Once you get all your fat off, I like to go ahead and split it down the middle because you got some fat running down there. And then I go ahead and I slice it thin like a carne asada. Alright, be right back. We'll get all the rest of it cut up and then we'll go ahead and show you how to marinate. Alright guys, we're back. We got all our meats cut up. We got everything set up here to do our marinade. So we're going to start off with our peppers, salt, pepper, garlic. We don't really measure anything. We just kind of go by, feel, sight, smell, everything. Next we got some cumin, ground cumin. Just throw a little bit of that in there. Oh, good. Some paprika. Some cayenne pepper. For the peppers, we like everything hot and spicy. A lot of that. Get out of there. Some chili powder. Some kind of smoky flavor in there. And some chili flakes. Why not? We got some jalapeños, they're just quartered up. You throw them in to marinate with it. And then once we end up throwing it on there, they'll cook alongside it. Some cilantro. Some onion, same thing. We don't really cut it up too small because these things are going to go on there and cook right alongside it, but they're also going to get some flavor. So just dump all that in there. About a half onion. We love our garlic. We got 4 cloves of garlic that are minced up. All that in there, all that flavor. All right, we got some limes. Get some juice in there. And we don't have oranges, but we got these little cuties. They're just as good, give it a lot of flavor. These we throw in the pills as well. Right. And then some Modelo. Give it some extra flavor. Don't need a whole lot. I don't got a lot of meat here, but just enough. That's some for me. Then we'll just go ahead and mix it up. My hands clean. If I was cooking for people, I'd use some gloves or something, but it's just for our family. It's looking, smelling good. Alright. That's our marinade. I'm going to throw this in the fridge for a little while, a couple hours, and then we'll be cooking it up. It's going to be good. We'll be back. Our meat's been marinating for a couple hours, and we're ready now to get this onto the Blackstone. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, this is looking good and smelling even better. Take a look there. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get this on here. Alright, so the Blackstone's already preheated. We already had it set to about a medium heat. This meat's real thin and it's going to cook pretty quick. But it's also really forgiving. A lot more than carne asada. So let's take a look here. Alright, we don't need all these orange pieces here, so we can get them out. So if you want, you can always go ahead and crank up the heat a little bit more. We're pretty hungry, so we want to get this done a little bit quicker. So we're going to crank it up all the way to high. Cook this a little bit quicker. It smells too good. My stomach is growling. Alright everybody, this is done. So we're gonna get this off of here. We're gonna take it inside and we're gonna enjoy. Alright everybody, we're back. We're inside. We're gonna go ahead and cut some of this meat up that we just cooked. We're gonna go ahead and plate us up some tacos. Can't wait. We're gonna get these out. I'm just gonna cut them up into little cubes almost. I think that'll be good. Get a couple pieces here. I can tell you, this smells amazing. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and cut some more of this up, and we're gonna go ahead and plate it up. We'll be right back. But real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and have a little taste myself because I've been cooking this for a while and it's been smelling amazing. Let's see. That's amazing. Better than Carne Asada. And way cheaper. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright everybody, we're back. And I don't know about you, but I am starving. Got our tacos plated up with our fresh Carne Asada, those grilled onions. We also got some fresh onions, some cilantro, cheese, and avocado. We got the Mexican rice my wife loves to make. We'll have the link for that video on here somewhere, and then my salsa that I make will also have that link somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of this thing. Just get some lime on there. Get a bite. That is amazing. Alright, that's it for this one. If you like what we're doing, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and give us some comments if you have some other suggestions. Until next time, see you. Pepper's Grill and Chill. Bye.